Here's top 3 best way to change clock on your iOS 26. So let's get into our lock screen. First of all, scroll down. Here we have our lock screen. Long press on it and then tap on customize. Then from here, you can see the first one is the size hack. So if you simply drag this time just like this, here you can see you can drag your time up to this size. If you again take it up, here you can see you can drag it to this size. I want to keep it in middle, so I'm going to drag my time size up to this one. And like that, you can change your time size on your iOS 26. So for the next one, we have dynamic depth. For that here, simply tap on this icon that you can see right here. Then what you're going to do is tap on depth effect on. Then here you can see this time has run back into this image. If you turn this effect off, we have the time up front. If you turn this on, we have the time up back. I'm going to drag my time again. Here you can see it is back of this image. And like that, you can turn on your dynamic depth. So the final one is your glass versus solid. So for that, what you can do is simply tap on the time icon right here. Then currently here you can see we are on the solid one. If you want that glass effect that you normally see on iOS 26, tap on this glass option right here. And just like this, here you can see we have gotten our glass effect. We can also change the font of it. Here we have different font, for example, this one. And you can even change the color of it like that. And you can even change the size of it, just like this. Then I'm going to go with this one. Then again, here you can see if you change the font of it, we cannot change the size of it anymore. Here I'm going to go with this font right here. I'm going to drag its size and make it up to this one. And just like that, we have successfully set our wallpaper of iOS 26. When you're done with it, you can tap on done and then tap on your wallpaper one more time, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.